Liquor pourer, bartender's best kept secret. Why is accuracy important in measuring drinks? One might say that a wrong measurement or pour does not drastically change the taste of the cocktail, but that's wrong. You see, bartenders have undergone years of practice to make sure that everything that goes into that margarita or cosmopolitan is precisely what is needed. How do they do this? Well, there is this bar tool called liquor pourer, aka the bartender's best kept secret. And while many regular whiskey drinkers often overlook this bar accessory, these pour spouts are your local barkeep's best friend. What is a liquor pourer? A liquor pourer is designed to allow bartenders to pour drinks more accurately. You may notice this as a long, angled metal or plastic inserted in the mouth of a liquor bottle. Unlike free pouring, wherein the bartender has to do the counting, the liquor pourer does the job for you. Can you leave liquor pourers on bottles? Yes, you can leave pourers on liquor bottles, but the better decision would be to remove or cover them to protect the contents. Let's find out what happens to the liquor if you don't remove the pour spout overnight. Advantages of leaving pour spouts on. Number 1. Saves time in assembly. If you don't bother taking the liquor pourers off, you can use less work every bar opening because you don't need to put them back on the bottles. You can use your time instead to do other chores to prepare for the day. Number 2. No added work during closing. After service hours, the bartenders and other bar staff are probably tired. If you choose to leave the pour spouts on, you can proceed with other closing procedures so you can go home early. Number 3. You don't need to clean them as often. Since you will not remove the liquor pourers every night, you don't have to clean them regularly. But it is recommended that you sanitize pour spouts every once in a while. Disadvantages of leaving liquor pourers on bottles. Number 1. Oxidation rapidly occurs. When it comes to liquor pourers with no caps, oxygen can freely make contact with the alcohol, subjecting it to degradation and reducing its shelf life. This is a no-no, especially for expensive liquors. Number 2. Attracts bugs. Flavored alcohol and liqueurs can attract bugs, mostly fruit flies, because of their sugar content. Insects will surely land on the liquor pourers when left uncovered. Worse, if a health inspector catches a health hazard in your bar, you'll be fined. Number 3. It's not hygienic. Dust and other unwanted particles don't have a place in liquor pourers. If they happen to land in the bottles or the pour spout, it will pose some risks to your customers and affect the business's reputation. Every bar has its policy regarding removing or leaving liquor pourers on bottles. Nevertheless, we strongly recommend removing the pour spouts and cleaning them before putting them back on the bottles the next day.